At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an acquisition agency involves a mix of strategic planning, legal considerations, and building a network. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Market research and planning. Research the industry and market you want to operate in. Understand the demand for acquisition services, potential clients, and competitors. Define your target market and specialization. Determine if you want to focus on specific industries or types of acquisitions, e.g., mergers, asset purchases. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your agency's mission, services offered, target market, revenue model, and growth strategy. Include financial projections, budgeting for expenses such as legal fees, marketing costs, and employee salaries. 3. Legal structure and compliance. Choose a legal structure for your agency, e.g., sole proprietorship, partnership, LLC, corporation, and register your business with the appropriate authorities. Obtain any necessary licenses or permits required to operate an acquisition agency in your jurisdiction. 4. Network building. Build relationships with potential clients, investors, and professionals in related fields such as finance, law, and accounting. Attend industry events, conferences, and networking functions to expand your contacts and visibility. 5. Hiring. Recruit experienced professionals with expertise in mergers and acquisitions, finance, law, and business development. Assemble a team with complementary skills to handle various aspects of the acquisition process, from due diligence to negotiations. 6. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and marketing strategy to differentiate your agency from competitors. Create a professional website showcasing your services, team, case studies, and client testimonials. Utilize digital marketing tactics such as SEO, content marketing, and social media to attract potential clients. 7. Offering comprehensive services. Offer a range of services tailored to meet the needs of clients throughout the acquisition process, including target identification, valuation, due diligence, negotiations, and post-merger integration. Provide strategic advice and guidance to clients to help them achieve their acquisition objectives. 8. Legal and financial expertise. Ensure your team includes professionals with expertise in legal and financial aspects of mergers and acquisitions. Stay updated on relevant laws, regulations, and market trends to provide informed advice to clients and mitigate legal risks. 9. Client acquisition. Develop a sales strategy to acquire clients, including cold outreach, referrals, and partnerships with other firms. Highlight your agency's track record of successful acquisitions and the value you can add to clients' businesses. 10. Continuous improvement. Continuously evaluate and refine your processes and services based on client feedback and market dynamics. Stay abreast of industry trends and innovations to remain competitive and provide cutting-edge solutions to clients. Starting an acquisition agency requires careful planning, dedication, and the ability to build trust with clients in order to succeed in a competitive market. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.